Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to exchange Vanguard coins in MLBB. First, ensure you have accumulated enough coins by participating in daily tasks and events. These special coins allow you to acquire exclusive rewards, enhancing your gameplay experience. We'll cover where to find the exchange shop and what items are typically available. Get ready to maximize your coin usage. To begin, launch Mobile Legends. Bang and enter the main lobby. From there, locate the shop icon, usually found at the bottom or side of your screen. Tap on it to open the in-game store. Within the shop, you'll need to find the specific section dedicated to Vanguard coins. This area is where all your coin-related transactions will take place, so it's important to know its exact location. Once inside the Vanguard coin exchange shop, you'll see a variety of items available. Typically, you can trade your coins for hero fragments, which help unlock new heroes, or skin fragments to acquire new appearances. Sometimes, battle points or even a small number of diamonds are offered. Keep an eye out for special event items that might appear for a limited duration, as these can be quite valuable. After browsing the available items, simply select the one you wish to acquire. The game will display the required number of Vanguard coins for that item. Double-check that you have enough coins before confirming your purchase. Once confirmed, the coins will be deducted, and your new item will be instantly added to your in-game inventory. Enjoy your new rewards and continue to earn more coins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.